Whenever you start out video calling and whenever you start out meeting, then first of all, you need to check out your audio and video settings before you actually start joining the meeting or before you join a call. So to do that, whenever you go around and then click on join, whether be it a meeting or a call, then this is what you have, as you can see. So you can go around over here and then see the microphone settings right here and even turn on your video right here. So once you do that, you see yourself over here as well. And what you can do is you can apply background filters to this as well. So if I want to change my background, I can simply go around and click, and it detects out my face and then body, as you can see right here, and then changes out the background right here. So instead of, let's say for example, changing the background, you can set it to none or set it to blur mode over here as well, so that the background is blurred out, as you can see right here. So you can go around and simply select out different background options according to how you want it right here. So apart from this, you can also go around onto the settings, and then over here on the right side, you can see what you can select. So you can go around and select out the speakers right here, and you can select the audio source from over here as well. And you can also enable the audio suppression over here and select different camera sources as your need as well. So once everything is done, you can go around and press join now. And then what happens is that you'll be sure that your video actually works well and your audio works well as well. And that is how you can actually go around and check out audio and video settings while you're joining up meeting inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.